In our fast-paced world, it's so easy to feel overwhelmed. The pressure to succeed, the constant stream of news, the worries about our future, our health, our families. It can all feel like a heavy weight on our shoulders. Anxiety, fear, and worry have become almost constant companions for so many of us. But what if there was a different way to live? What if we could find a source of peace that isn't dependent on our circumstances? Centuries ago, Jesus spoke directly to these feelings, offering a profound perspective that still resonates today. In the Sermon on the Mount, found in the Gospel of Matthew, he addresses worry head-on. He says, "Therefore, I tell you, do not worry about your life, what you will eat or drink, or about your body, what you will wear. Is not life more than food, and the body more than clothes?" Think about that for a moment. He's inviting us to shift our focus. He points to the birds in the sky. They don't sow or reap or store away in barns, yet our Heavenly Father feeds them. He asks, "Are you not much more valuable than they?" He then points to the lilies of the field, how they grow in such beauty without toiling or spinning. Even King Solomon, in all his splendor, wasn't dressed like one of these. And if God clothes the grass of the field, which is here today and tomorrow is thrown into the fire, will he not much more clothe you? Jesus isn't dismissing our needs. He's not saying our concerns are invalid. Instead, he's redirecting our trust. He's just highlighting a fundamental truth. Our value is not in what we achieve or what we possess. Our value is inherent, given to us by a loving Creator who knows our needs even before we ask. The core of our anxiety often comes from a feeling that we have to control everything, that it's all up to us. Jesus offers a radical alternative: trust. This isn't a passive, do-nothing approach. It's an active choice to seek a different priority. He continues, "But seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well." This means aligning our hearts and our daily actions with God's principles of love, justice, and mercy. When our primary pursuit becomes living a life that reflects God's character, our perspective on everything else changes. Our daily worries about provision and security find their proper place under the umbrella of God's greater care. And then comes one of the most powerful verses for anyone struggling with anxiety. "Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own." Jesus is giving us permission to live in the present moment. So much of our fear is rooted in what-ifs about the future we could uncontrol. He encourages us to deal with today's challenges today, trusting that when tomorrow comes, the grace and strength we need will be there for us. Living this out is a journey, not a one-time fix. It's a daily practice of releasing control. of looking at the birds and the flowers and remembering God's faithful provision. It's consciously choosing to focus our minds on what is true, noble, right, and pure, as the Apostle Paul would later write. When you feel that wave of anxiety rising, take a deep breath. Remember Jesus' words. Remind yourself that you are seen, you are known, and you are deeply valuable. You don't have to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. You are invited to cast your anxieties on Him because He cares for you. This ancient wisdom isn't about ignoring reality. It's about grounding ourselves in a deeper reality, the reality of a loving God who holds the universe and you in His hands. By choosing trust over worry, one day at a time, we can begin to experience the profound peace that He promises. Thanks for watching. If this message resonated with you, please consider liking and subscribing for more content that explores faith and life. See you next time.